Giza pyramids was once the greatest mystery of planet Earth, but is now not anymore. Tesla saw planet Earth itself with its two poles as a giant electrical generator of limitless energy. His triangle-shaped design became known as Tesla electromagnetized pyramid. It wasn't just the shape of the Egyptian pyramids, but their location that created their power, according to Tesla. He built a tower facility known as the Tesla Experimental Station to take advantage of the Earth's energy field. The design was intended for wireless transmission of energy. The pyramids was built by the Anunnakis about 12,500 years ago. The pyramids were aligned with the three stars in the Orion belt: stars Zeta, Alnitak, Epsilon, Alnilam, and Delta, Mintaka. Alnilam is the middle and the brightest of the three stars of the Orion's belt. It is also the 29th brightest star in the sky, the fourth brightest in Orion, and is a blue supergiant. Together with Mintaka and Alnitak, the three stars make up Orion's belt, known by many names across many ancient cultures. Three big pyramids with each aiming at each one of the star. The Anunnakis came from Epsilon, clearly seen on these type of tablets, which many call the Tree of Life, but which in fact represents the 29th brightest star. Each so-called flower represents a star. If you count them, you will see this adds up to 29. The Piri Reis map, a genuine document of 1513, showed the Great Pyramids as the center of the Earth. The pyramids are built almost perfectly aligned with true north. The top of the pyramid, the capstone, was made of gold, which is the best transmitter, or some say even a crystal. The whole pyramid was actually covered with polished limestone, which is the best isolation material. The pyramids were built on a scale of exactly 1 to 43,200 of the planet Earth, as observed by Graham Hancock. 432 is also called the magic number. It is said to be the natural frequency of the universe, to have cosmic healing powers, and to attract masses of audience. Music tuned to 432 hertz is softer and brighter. It is said to provide greater clarity and is easier on the ears. There is also 43,200 seconds for each 12-hour period of day and night. The diameter of the Sun is 864,000 miles. That's about 2 times 432,000. The diameter of the Moon is 2,160 miles. That's 432 divided by 2. The coordinates of the Pyramid of Giza are 299792,458 degrees north, which corresponds to 1 hertz, which is the same number, and which also corresponds with the speed of light. study reveals the Great Pyramid of Giza can focus electromagnetic energy. An internal research group has applied methods of theoretical physics to investigate the electromagnetic response of the Great Pyramid to radio waves. Scientists predicted that under resonance conditions, the pyramid can concentrate electromagnetic energy in its internal chambers and under the base. Radio waves are a type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths in the electromagnetic spectrum. Symbol for wavelength is the lambda, which is a pyramid shape. Radio waves are generated artificially by transmitters and received by radio receivers using antennas. Radio waves are very widely used in modern technology for fixed and mobile radio, communication, broadcasting, radar and radio navigation systems, communication satellites, wireless computer networks, and pyramids. Radio waves in a vacuum travel at the speed of light. When passing through a material medium, they are slow depending on the medium's permeability and permittivity. Air is thin enough that in the Earth's atmosphere, radio waves travel very close to the speed of light. The pyramids of Giza were transmitters of radio waves in order to communicate with the home planet in the Orion Belt. And the obelisk was the receiving antenna. The pyramids were communication stations to communicate with home base by the Anunnaki alien visitors more than 10,000 years ago. Imagine if we could be able to re-engineer this giant radio transmitter. We could be communicating with the Anunnakis in the Orion Belt.